It's May and it's home improvement month, and we have all had for the last month and a half plenty of time to sit around our homes and identify what are the things that we do and don't like about our spaces. And so we thought we would kind of do a play on that as far as with Stephen Still's song Love the One You're With, and change that up to do Love the Home You're With. And so when uncertain times, people like to invest in their homes and kind of nest. We saw this in a similar situation back in 2008 during the recession, when we had the whole birth of the staycation. Rather than people investing dollars in a vacation, they tended to stick around their homes and spend that money on improving their homes. And so if you're considering that kind of thing as it relates to kitchens and baths, DreamMaker would love to help you out with that. We typically see 3 different scenarios that come up. One may be you're just looking at a space and it just needs some minor updates. Maybe you need some new paint, new hardware, you need a backsplash, update the lighting. So it's a relatively low cost investment to make those kinds of changes. Or maybe you've got a space that we see this a lot in kind of 5x8, 5x10 bathrooms, where it's a limited space, but it's just really dated and looks awful. So you just need to bite the bullet and invest in that whole new thing. We call that a pull and replace, where we'll come in, we remove everything that's in that space, take it out, and put all new stylish things in just to update that. Or maybe you've been looking at another space, maybe it's your kitchen, that just is a train wreck, and you're willing to invest and change the footprint to create a much more functional space that's got a much better flow. And the good thing is at DreamMaker, we can help you with all 3 of those scenarios. So we encourage you to stick around, pay attention. We look forward to bringing more of these videos as it relates to Love the Home You're With. Stay tuned.